let's run this here thing. If you're not familiar, it might say Poland on it, but this saw is 100% Pioneer. This is a Pioneer P45 with Poland Pro stickers on it. So this is a 72cc saw. It is case reed. This has a 6-port or boost port cylinder on it, and that's a 32 full chisel, full comp. And the thing you need to know about these Pioneers is to run a Husky length bar with a Husky length chain, it has to have an 8-pin driver on it. So we really put this sucker to work today.